Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Confirm the biometric reader model and download the correct driver or SDK for your OS. Plug the device into a powered USB port and once connected, open Device Manager or System Information to verify recognition. If your reader has a power switch, turn it on now. Make sure antivirus is paused briefly if it blocks installers. This first step prevents driver mismatches and speed setup. Proceed only when the device shows as present so installation won't stall. You now install drivers and the Biometric Management application. Run the driver as administrator and follow prompts. Accept signed drivers so USB communication is enabled. Once the middleware is running, launch the enrollment tool and follow on-screen guidance. Enroll each finger or eye with 3 or more distinct scans to build a robust template. Move naturally to capture variations. Make sure to label templates for users and set template storage, local or server, so authentication later matches correctly. This step ties hardware to usable credentials. You finish by enabling biometric sign-in in your operating system and mapping enrolled templates to user accounts. Confirm policies like PIN fallback and timeout values. Test authentication 3 times to ensure consistent recognition. If you see false rejects, reduce sensitivity or re-enroll the template with varied angles. If it still fails, check event logs, confirm the USB port supplies sufficient power, reinstall the driver, and try a different cable or port. One key troubleshooting tip:
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.